What if I told you the AI in your pocket is silently analyzing millions of data points to get you home faster every day? Google Maps isn't just a map anymore. It's becoming one of the most sophisticated AI tools we use daily. In today's digital age, Google Maps has become an essential tool for navigation, and its capabilities are continually evolving, thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. AI enhances Google Maps functionality by analyzing vast amounts of data to provide real-time traffic updates, suggest optimal routes, and even predict travel times based on historical patterns. This technology not only makes our journeys smoother, but also helps us discover new places and experiences. Understanding AI's role in navigation and location services is crucial, as it shapes how we interact with our surroundings. In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating ways AI is transforming Google Maps, making it more intuitive and user-friendly. So, buckle up as we explore the future of navigation powered by AI. Remember when we used to print MapQuest directions? Fast forward to today, and AI is now predicting traffic jams before they even happen, transforming how we navigate our world. The evolution of Google Maps. Google Maps has come a long way since its launch in 2005. Initially, it started as a simple mapping service, but key milestones have shaped its journey. In 2007, Google introduced Street View, allowing users to explore neighborhoods virtually. The integration of real-time traffic data in 2010 marked a significant advancement, enhancing navigation accuracy. As technology evolved, so did Google Maps, paving the way for AI features. The introduction of machine learning algorithms enabled the app to analyze user behavior and improve route suggestions. Significant updates, such as offline maps and personalized recommendations, have further enriched the user experience. Today, Google Maps stands as a powerful tool, seamlessly blending traditional mapping with cutting-edge AI technology, making navigation smarter and more efficient than ever before. Imagine having a personal travel assistant that knows your preferences better than your friends do. That's exactly what Google Maps has become, thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. AI features in Google Maps. What if your navigation app could see into the future? With AI-powered predictive algorithms, Google Maps is essentially doing just that, and it's changing how we move through our cities. Google Maps is packed with innovative AI-driven features that enhance our navigation experience. One of the standout capabilities is real-time traffic updates, which use AI to analyze data from millions of users, allowing the app to provide accurate congestion information and suggest alternative routes. Predictive routing is another impressive feature, where AI anticipates traffic patterns and adjusts your route accordingly, saving you time on your journey. Additionally, AI significantly enhances location accuracy and search results, ensuring you find the best places nearby. Personalized recommendations are also a game changer. By learning your preferences and habits, Google Maps suggests restaurants, attractions, and activities tailored just for you. These user-friendly features make navigating the world not only easier but also more enjoyable, transforming how we explore our surroundings. Impact of AI on navigation. AI has revolutionized navigation and travel planning, bringing numerous benefits that enhance our travel experiences. One of the most significant advantages is the reduction of travel time. AI algorithms analyze real-time data to identify the fastest routes, helping users avoid traffic jams and delays. Additionally, AI improves efficiency by continuously learning from user behaviors and preferences, allowing for more personalized travel suggestions. For instance, if you frequently visit coffee shops, Google Maps will prioritize similar venues in your search results. Moreover, AI has changed the way we explore new places by offering tailored recommendations based on our interests, such as local attractions or hidden gems. This personalized approach not only makes travel planning easier, but also enriches our journeys, encouraging us to discover and enjoy new experiences like never before. Future of Google Maps with AI. The future of Google Maps powered by AI holds exciting possibilities that could redefine how we navigate the world. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more sophisticated algorithms that enhance mapping accuracy and provide hyper-personalized travel experiences. One potential advancement is the integration of augmented reality, AR, allowing users to visualize directions and points of interest directly in their environment through their smartphones. Imagine walking through a city and seeing real-time information overlaid on your surroundings, guiding you effortlessly to your destination. These emerging technologies could significantly enhance travel planning and exploration, making it more interactive and engaging. As we consider these changes, it's essential to think about how they might impact our travel habits, encouraging us to explore new places with greater confidence and ease. The future of navigation is indeed bright. Picture walking through a foreign city and seeing directions floating in the air before your eyes. That future is closer than you think, as AI and augmented reality converge in navigation technology. Conclusion. In summary, Google Maps powered by AI has transformed the way we navigate and explore our world. Key takeaways include the significant enhancements in real-time traffic updates, predictive routing, and personalized recommendations that make travel more efficient and enjoyable. AI's ability to adapt to user preferences and behaviors has revolutionized our travel planning, allowing for a more tailored experience. As we look to the future, the integration of emerging technologies like augmented reality promises to further enrich our navigation experiences. If you found this discussion insightful, be sure to subscribe for more engaging content on technology and travel. We invite you to share this video with friends and explore related topics on our channel as we continue to uncover the fascinating ways AI is shaping our lives. Thank you for watching.